Hello, everyone. I wanted to check a couple of trades I made during the day today. They started for me around this time here, which is 7 a.m. Eastern. When I went into my trading day, I started to see that gold was moving to the upside. Actually, was doing higher highs and higher lows in the Renko chart. In the So if we position here, we see that we were against the trend. So the trend was moving down in the point and figure chart, and the price was moving to the upside right here. So it was doing some making some double tops and then triple tops and then four times and then another one. So there was plenty of resistance to me to move higher, and the trend in the trade should have been against the trend because the trend was moving down. Now, at this time here, it reversed and went down, and I missed that trade. I should have put an order right below this circles here, um, breaking that price there, right at 1784.1. So when it broke, I should have taken that one. Then it reversed a little bit, and then it came down. I didn't take it, so I was a little bit late to the trade. Actually, I missed it. Then moved in this trend here, started to move up, and then came down. So that one right there, see, and then came down, and probably that one would have been another good trade. But I was in my mind there was this FOMC meeting, and I was not sure if I wanted to take some trades or not. Then it started to move down, and I was not in the trade, and then it came back again, and I took this trade. I only made $33 on that one because the first one was I took it a little bit too late, and then it reversed on me, so I ended up doing $33 there. So kept moving down or kept moving sideways in this area right here, and then broke again. So it made a triple top again, and then came back. And then I took the trade right there because there was triple tops, and then moved down again out of this cloud. So I took that chance, and that was good for $85. And then since it came back, the second trade or the second lot was actually a break even. Then I took another one, which is this one here. In this, in still in this trend. So I took this one, and this one was for good for $100 on the first lot and $200 on the second. So the first one was actually this target right here, and then the second one when it came back right there. If you see that there's a let me expand it a little bit so you can see it better. So right there, see that white dot? That is when the trade was taken. So the first one was $100, and the second one was $200. So the last trade I took was in NQ. So NQ was doing a price movement to the upside. It was actually bullish, and we had a FOMC news at 2 p.m. So it started to do nothing actually in this area, moving sideways and sideways, and then it broke to the upside. And in here, right there, when it did this double, started to move down, up. Let's move this a little bit. So you see that there was a lot of congestion here. And then it moved up and then back down and made this double top. So when it did it, then I took this trade right there. So that circle, that blue circle, should have been right there. And then I kept the trade, and this one was good for $322 in the two lots. So the first one was taken right there in that area when it met the first target, and then the second one when it came back and took me out right there where that little arrow is. So these are the trades I made today. So it was actually let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 3. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades for $740. There was plenty of opportunity to do more, but I was not feeling confident because last two days has not were not very good for me. So I'm at 150 and 78, and the profit for today was 740. Thank you for watching.